Food is medicine. Whatever food that goes into your body either builds it or damage it. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskudio Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Studies have shown that there are a lot of medical conditions that are directly linked with our diet. If we are able to take matters pertaining to our diet very serious, we can be able to either prevent some medical conditions or even manage those medical conditions appropriately. For instance, if you're one kind of person having hypertension, or you would want to prevent the risk of getting hypertension, you need to cut down the amount of salt you eat. This is because high intake of salt causes a spike in your blood pressure. So if you consistently take this amount of salt for a very long period of time, it will continue to increase your blood pressure, and that can predispose you into getting hypertension. With regards to diabetes, if you want to prevent diabetes or you have diabetes and you want to manage it appropriately, you need to also cut down the amount of sugar you eat, because when your sugar intake is very high, you can't be able to manage your blood sugar. You need to cut down the intake of carbonated drinks, these kind of soft drinks, and these ice creams and junk food, because they can predispose you into getting diabetes. Also, if you want to prevent yourself from this high cholesterol, or if you're one kind of person, you've gone to the hospital and you have been diagnosed of high cholesterol, you need to cut down the intake of fatty food, those kind of food that contain a lot of oil in them. Most of these kind of oil contains bad cholesterol. There is something we call bad cholesterol. When there's a buildup of a lot of bad cholesterol within your body, they can block your blood vessels, and it can cause a kind of medical condition we call arteriosclerosis, and that can predispose you to a lot of medical conditions, even hypertension, and when it goes into a severe form, it can predispose you into getting stroke. Also, if you're one kind of person having stomach ulcer, when you take in a lot of these spicy food or food containing a lot of pepper, have it in mind that when you pour pepper on your external wound, what will happen? You begin experiencing this burning sensation and severe pain. So the same thing happens when you take in a lot of spicy food or food containing a lot of pepper. That will always make you to be experiencing severe abdominal pains, heartburns, and a lot of things. Also, if you're one kind of person who takes in alcohol and you also smoke, have it in mind that alcohol and smoking affect your blood vessels, and that can affect your heart, your brain, your kidneys, and a lot of organs are directly linked with your blood vessels, because your blood vessels supply them with blood. Hence, if they are being narrowed, that can affect those organs. So one thing you need to have it in mind is that our diet is directly linked with our health. If you're able to control your diet or the kind of food you eat, that is able to either prevent you from certain medical conditions or manage the condition which you have been diagnosed. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.